Hello! In this video demonstration, I will show you how to start a simple SOLIDWORKS simulation to evaluate your 3D design. To begin, please open the attached file. It is a spindle from an RC car. This piece connects the wheels through the central hub, the chassis from the top and bottom faces, and the steering system from this pickup point. Today, we're going to find out how much this pickup point flexes under a load of 5 pound-foot. To begin, let's click on the SOLIDWORKS Add-ins tab. Next, unload the SOLIDWORKS simulation by pressing once. Next, click on the Evaluate tab. And then, click on the Simulation Express Analysis wizard to begin the simulation. On the right, we have our Simulation Express wizard. Click Next. On the Fixer section, we can add a fixture. That is, faces that cannot move in space. For this simulation, we will select the faces that mount to the RC car's chassis, those parallel to the top and bottom plane. Click Add a Fixture. Next, select the top plane, and now we're going to rotate the piece, and now we're going to select the bottom plane. With both planes selected, click the green arrow to continue. Now we can click Next. Next, we're going to select our loads. Here, we will apply a force towards the top plane of the faces that mount to the steering pickup point. We may create two separate forces, one for each face, or modify a single force. Here we're going to modify a single force. Let's begin by clicking Add a Force on the right. Next, select the top face of the pickup point, and now we're going to rotate the piece, and now we're going to select the bottom face of the pickup point. On the left, select Selected Direction, and then for the selected direction, we're going to go to our Feature Manager and click on Top Plane. For our force, we're going to select 5 pound-foot, click Enter, and now click OK on the green arrow. When everything looks good, we can click Next. For our material, we want to change it to ABS plastic. Let's click Change Material. In the pop-up, close the Steel folder and open the Plastics folder. Next, select ABS Plastic, the first one, and then click Apply, then click Close. When our material looks right to be ABS plastic, click Next. We can either change our settings or run the simulation. Let's run the simulation. After your computer calculates, you will find an animation. If the animation looks correct, click Yes, Continue. Now we can view our results, including the von Mises stresses by clicking it, or the displacement. We may play the animation, and we may complete viewing our results. We can either generate a report in eDrawings file or continue to optimization. Thank you very much for viewing this video demonstration.